Hello and welcome to Quick Clear. In this tutorial, we'll delve into the fundamentals of Excel, starting with an overview. So, what exactly is Excel? It's a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft, compatible with various operating systems including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. Excel is a robust application packed with an array of features and functions. You can create formulas, perform data analysis, and generate graphical representations such as pivot charts and regular charts. Additionally, Excel allows you to manipulate data with pivot tables, sort, filter, and display subtotals, among other functions. Now let's outline what to expect in this series. We'll be using the latest version of Excel, which is 2019 at the time of this recording. Our videos are intentionally brief to facilitate easy navigation through topics. We'll also cover various shortcuts to streamline your workflow, including creating charts, tables, and pivot charts quickly. I trust you'll find this video series informative and enjoyable. Thank you for tuning in. You can open Excel in several ways on a PC. Here are 3 common methods. 1. Start menu touch search bar. Click on the Start menu button, usually located at the bottom left corner of the screen. Type Excel in the search bar. Click on the Excel app icon when it appears in the search results to open it. 2. Desktop shortcut. If you have a shortcut icon for Excel on your desktop, double-click on it to open Excel. 3. Taskbar. Shortcut. If you have Excel pinned to your taskbar, the bar at the bottom of your screen, you can simply click on the Excel icon to open it. Excel interface. When you first open Excel, you're greeted with a blank workbook. This blank workbook is where you'll typically start your work. Now, within this blank workbook, you'll notice various elements on the screen. Let me walk you through each of these elements. At the very top, we have the Quick Access toolbar. This toolbar contains essential tools and is the only toolbar available in Microsoft Excel versions 2010, 2013, 2016, and 2019. Unlike earlier versions, which had multiple toolbars, these newer versions consolidate tools into this toolbar. Below the Quick Access toolbar, we have tabs such as Insert, Draw, Page Layout, Formulas, and Data. These tabs replace the traditional menu bars found in older versions of Excel. Each tab houses different options, organized within what's known as the ribbon. You can hide or show the ribbon by double-clicking on any tab. The Minimize, Maximize, and Close buttons, located at the top right corner of the Excel window, serve important functions for managing the application. Minimize shrinks the window to the taskbar. Maximize expands the window to full screen. Close ends the Excel program. Moving down a bit, we have the Name box, which displays the current location of the selected cell. It can also be used for naming ranges, as we'll discuss in the next video. Next is the formula bar, where you can view and edit formulas entered into cells. You can expand or minimize the formula bar by clicking on its edge. The column headings, labeled with letters A, B, C, etc., represent the columns in the worksheet. Clicking on a column heading selects the entire column. Similarly, the row headings on the left side, numbered 1, 2, 3, etc., represent the rows in the worksheet. Clicking on a row heading selects the entire row. At the bottom, you'll find the sheet navigation controls. Clicking on the plus sign expands the sheet list, allowing you to navigate between sheets. You can also right-click on the arrow to see a list of all sheets. On the right-hand side, there's a zoom scroll bar. Clicking the plus sign enlarges the cells, while clicking the minus sign reduces their size. The vertical and horizontal scroll bars allow you to navigate through the worksheet. Clicking on the File button, or Office button in some versions, provides options such as New, Open, Save and Save As. To enter data, simply click on a cell and start typing. You can edit a cell by pressing F2 or double-clicking on it. A workbook is a collection of worksheets. Each worksheet is a separate entity within the workbook. You can save the workbook in various formats, including older XLS and newer XLSX formats, as well as PDF and macro-enabled formats. Now, let's begin by initiating a new Excel file and exploring the process of creating a new template, as well as closing a workbook. Let's examine these steps individually. To commence, I'll demonstrate how to proceed. You can navigate to the Start menu, access all programs, and select Excel 2019. Upon clicking, a window will prompt you to choose the type of workbook you wish to open, such as a blank workbook or another pre-existing template. For this demonstration, I'll opt for a blank workbook. Once a blank workbook is created, the interface will display various options for your use. Should you desire a different workbook with an alternative template, you can navigate to the File menu, select New, and explore the multitude of available templates. For instance, let's select a basic template, such as Expense Trends Budget. After clicking, you'll be prompted to download the template. Upon creation, this template contains pre-built charts and data, such as an expense calculator organized by month. Now, let's discuss closing an Excel file. Closing an Excel file is straightforward. You can simply click on the Close button and a prompt will appear asking whether you want to save your changes. You have the option to save, not save, or cancel. For the purpose of this demonstration, I will choose not to save the file. Alternatively, you can close the workbook by navigating to the File menu and selecting Close. That concludes our exploration of Excel basics in this session.